Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send Amazon gift card to someone. It's really simple and easy. You have to come to this Amazon website, and now inside the Amazon website right here, all you have to do is go ahead and navigate through the search bar, and you want to search for gift card. You can then go ahead and see the option right here. Basically, once inside, all you have to do is go ahead and choose a gift card. In my case, I am going to choose this one here, and basically you can then go ahead and choose between the presets that we have. We have the Amazon white logo, black logo, and more things. You can just customize this way if you want. You have your gift card design, you have the standard, animated, and all these things. From here you can then enter the amount, and lastly you have the delivery option. If you want to go ahead and send this to your friend or someone, you want to mail them, or you want to type the correct address in order for them to receive this personalized gift card. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to send Amazon gift card to someone. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.